Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're replacing this Samsung dryer heating element as well as a couple other components. This entire video covers a decent amount of disassembly, which gives you an opportunity to clean out parts of the dryer while you're at it, which you'll see me do in a little bit. I'll include the exact model number of this dryer in the description, but this is a pretty straightforward guide that covers a few models and can help you even with non-Samsung dryers. I hope this helps you out with your dryer. Please subscribe and follow along. I'll have a couple other voice notes throughout. So once again, hope this helps you guys out. Thanks. This piece here, these latches just unhook. Screws, 1, 2 here, another one over here, and then the entire front here has some screws. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hang on. Forgot to take off this clip. That. Now make sure if you lose a screw like I did, that you recover it. So you see that?
Yeah.
That's where it snapped. All right, so while we're in here, we're gonna take this unit off just to clean the lint that's within this section. Look at all that in there. I'm going to clean all that out. Removing of these tabs here where the coil's connected to, you can see there's a little tab preventing it from getting out. So I'm going to bend it with a pair of pliers just to be able to get these tabs out. Then when we put the new one in, we're also going to do a little tab up so that they're secure in there. So that we could remove them. So the old one comes out, and I'm just going to clear up all this gunk out of this shield. So my suggestion is to apply 2 screws when you reseat the new coil. This way you can connect the tabs a lot easier. So we're going to reconnect these tabs, bend this tab once we have it through to secure it. Alright, the next step in this journey is replacing these 2 parts. So I've got the main unit here. I'm going to insert the 2 pieces back, rewire it, then we're going to insert it into the dryer. Alright, so we've got it rewired, and we should be good to place it back into the dryer and reassemble. Alright, so we just attached these 3 screws right here. And it looks like this unit's back in place. Now we've reattached this piece with the 3 screws. Alright, so as we're placing the door on, don't forget to reconnect this wire into the plug here. Alright, just for recap, I did 1, 2, 3. I'm missing one here. These 2 didn't need to come off. And these are the ones that also I replaced. Now when we put on the control unit, let's not forget these 2 plugs. Alright, so the control unit just snaps in with these hinges at the bottom, and I'm going to reconnect these plugs here. Alright, and then my dusty top cover, you place it down and it slides back. Connects right here, and then there's the 2 screws at the back that we're going to redo. Alright, here's a moment of truth. We've got it plugged in. I put a wet pair of nice boxers in there. Let's see what we can do. Alright, let's see what we got. Set it to normal.